What's this? Something from the mail? Aylsworth Razors? What could it be? Okay, so I don't have a great unboxing setup here, but this is my work table. You can see my laptop in the back, and this came in late yesterday. Yesterday's relative, I guess, to whenever you're watching this. Late Thursday. And I was like, oh, do I do an unboxing video? Do I not? Clearly the results right now is I am going to do an unboxing video. All right, so we got her open. For those of you who might have seen like the short video I did opening my previous Aylsworth Razor, I did a terrible shaky cam job of that. So this hopefully redeems it. It's at least incremental improvements. Very lovely handwritten note here. Thanks, John. Happy holidays to you and yours, Caleb. So this package is from Aylsworth Razors. He was recently our guest for the Ladder Talk podcast, and Caleb was kind enough to send a brand new offering. Black tissue paper, very nice, very sleek and sexy. Let me just move that to the side. Now this is a little bit different presentation-wise. A cylindrical container here with the A from Aylsworth. Great logo, by the way. Yeah, this probably gives away what the contents are. Your brass razor. This, in fact, is a brass version of the Drakkant, the Kopparkant. I've heard some funny nicknames, like the Kopparkant, the Kopparkai. Some other pronunciations of the words here. Look at that. We got bead blast finish on this guy here. That thank you note. Focus, you can see the logo right at the top. Wow, look at that handle design. That, very handsome. I'm a big fan of the design of the stainless steel version. This brass one is a much more attractive price point to probably more wet shavers out there. So great option to offer this in brass. Some closer look here. And brass is also not for everyone, that's for sure. But I think the cost savings on this material, still, you know, a fine shaver, good weight to it. I think it's just over 90 grams. I forget what the difference was. Caleb did mention to me. Stainless steel version might be like 2 grams heavier or something like that. But that's what we got for today. It's a quick unboxing, and you'll be seeing me use this in some upcoming shaves. Very excited for it. Thank you again. This is a gift from Caleb from Aylsworth Razors. Guys, if you haven't done so already, hit that like button. If you like the videos on the channel, hit that subscribe button, and I will catch you in the next video. Happy shaves, everyone.